Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn surface areas and volumes together, step by step. In Class 10, we combine solids, like a cone on a cylinder or a hemisphere on top of a cube. We'll recap the basic formulas, then learn how to handle these combinations. Recall the volumes. A cylinder is pi r squared h, a cone, a third of that. A sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed, and a hemisphere half a sphere, 2/3 pi r cubed. And the curved surface areas. A cylinder is 2 pi r h, a cone is pi r l, where l is the slant height, a sphere is 4 pi r squared, and a hemisphere is 2 pi r squared. For a combination, volumes simply add up. But for surface area, be careful. Add only the surfaces you can actually see and leave out the faces hidden where two solids join. A cone sits on a cylinder, both radius 7. The cylinder's volume is 1540. The cone's is a third of pi r squared times 24, which is 1232. The total volume is 2772 cubic centimeters. For a hemisphere capping a cylinder, the surface is the cylinder's curved part plus the hemisphere's curved part plus the bottom circle. The top face of the cylinder is hidden under the hemisphere, so we leave it out. To recap, when solids combine, add the volumes, but for surface area, count only the exposed faces. Remember the cone's slant height and always watch for hidden joining surfaces. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.